This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, today in this video we'll learn print statement. So first we will write about it that this is the most frequently used statement in BASIC. Almost every program in BASIC makes use of it. All the programs we have seen so far in this text have used it in different ways. This statement is used to display text and numbers on the screen. Now we'll learn the syntax of it, and the syntax is print list of expressions and then semicolon, and then you can use a question mark as well. Instead of print statement, you can use a question mark in place of print statement. So there are two ways whether you can use the print statement. The complete, you have to type print, or you can just use the question mark in place of it, and then again list of expressions and then semicolon. So this is the syntax of print statement we just learned, and now I'm going to learn the interpretation. So expressions in the list may, so we are talking about the expressions in the list we're going to use with the print statement. In the list may be numeric and or string expressions separated by commas, spaces, or semicolons. If we omit the list of expressions, a blank line is printed. We can also use a question mark like this instead of print statement. This will behave in the same way as the print statement behaves. And two expressions in a print statement are separated by a semicolon. The second expression is displayed on the screen just after the text of the first expression. GW Basic divides each line into print zone of 14 spaces. We can also use a comma instead of semicolon to separate expressions. This causes the second expression to be displayed at the start of next zone. So we're gonna give examples and we'll type programs for better understanding and elaboration. We are in the idea of GW Basic, and here we will type the program to understand the print statement. For our better understanding, we will type at line number 10 $, which is used for string expression. We will type Florida, and then we'll type as colon and then type $. Likewise, and then type California, then type semicolon and type $C, and then type Texas, and then type colon and then type $D, string variable, and we'll assign Chicago. We'll type here like New York, different states of America. And line number 20 we'll type print statement and then type $, and then type comma, then type $B, type comma $C, likewise comma, and then in the end $D. And line number 30 we just type print, so nothing will be printed, will be displayed. So this line just used to give a space at the next line, and then we will so here we'll type print $, then type semicolon, then type $B, type semicolon, type $C, and then type semicolon, then $D. And at line number 50 we'll type END, end. And now I'm gonna save this program with the name. First we'll press the F4 key and then type print 1.bas, press the enter key, and then we'll load this program by pressing the F3 key, and then type print on.bas, and then press the enter key, Now I'll press the F2 key to run this program. So here you can see that here at the line number 20 we have used comma. So comma gives much more spaces as compared to the semicolon. So we have used the print statement, used 4 different strings, $A, B, C, and assigned different states names of our USA to them, and then try to get the output at line number 20 and 40. But here you can see there's a difference between these two lines, that after each and every string variable name we have used, here at line number 20 we have used comma to separate them, and at line number 40 we have used semicolon. So semicolon gives us more spaces as compared to the comma, and comma gives us an appropriate spaces. So this is how we can learn print statement. And now we are giving typing one more program to understand the concept of the print statement. So at line number 10 we will type A is equal to 10. So here we are using the numeric variable, and then we'll give a semicolon, then type B is equal to 20, then type semicolon, and type C is equal to 30, and at line number 20 we'll type city dollar variable, string variable, and type here Chicago, and then type double quotes, and then type column, and type country dollar is equal to USA, United States of America. And at line number 30 we'll type print A, B, C, and at line number 40 we'll type print A, B, C, city dollar, and in the end type country dollar. And at line number 50 we'll type E in the end. Now we're gonna save it, and we'll press the F4 key and type print 2.bas. Then we load it by pressing the F4 key, then type print 2.bas, and now we press the F2 key. So here we can see that there is an error at line number 10 because we should have used colon instead. So we will first type this list statement, and then we will type edit 10. So edit command is used to edit the line 10. So we're gonna make changes. Line number 10 we will type A is equal to 10, colon B is equal to 20, colon C is equal to 30. Type C is equal to 30 this way. Now you can see there's changes have been made. Now F4 key, type print 2.bas. Now we'll load it by pressing the F3 key and type print 2.bas, and then press F2 key. So here viewers, you can see that we have used print statement at line 30 and just used the variable A, B, C. So 10 was stored in A, B, 20 stored in B, and 30 stored in C numeric variables. So the values 10, 20, 30 can be displayed by using the print statement at line number 30. We have just used print statement with A, B, C, but at line number 40 we have used A, B, C, and at the same time we have mentioned the string variable city dollars. So you can see that Chicago was saved in city dollars. You can see the name of the city Chicago and the name of the country United States of America as stored in the country dollar string variable. So that's all for learning the print statement, and thanks for watching my video.